Have you ever wondered why some drinks just taste better in winter? Or why we tend to reach out for certain beverages when the temperature drops? There's something about the nostalgia and comfort associated with sipping on a warm drink during the chilly season. In this video, we'll explore different types of winter drinks, from the cozy hot chocolate to the refreshing pineapple and kiwi juice and their health benefits. So sit back, grab your favorite winter drink, and let's get started. First on our list is warm apple juice, a comforting and delicious winter drink. It's quite simple to prepare. All you need is natural apple juice, heated gently, with a dash of cinnamon and ginger spices to enhance the flavor and health benefits. These spices add a delightful warmth that complements the sweetness of the apple perfectly. But what makes this drink even more appealing is its health benefits. Apple juice is packed with vitamins and fiber that support digestive health. It's also known to boost immunity, making it an excellent choice for those cold winter days. So, the next time you're feeling a bit chilly, why not warm up with some delicious apple juice? Next up, we have ginger tea, a popular winter beverage known for its warming capabilities. This spicy, aromatic root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and its tea is a winter staple in many cultures. The key to ginger tea's health benefits lies in its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to improve blood circulation. When you sip on a warm cup of ginger tea, you're doing more than just warming up your body. You're also promoting a healthy blood flow, which is crucial in the colder months. Additionally, ginger has antibacterial properties, making it a natural remedy for soothing sore throats and reducing congestion. So, for a warm, invigorating drink, consider brewing a cup of ginger tea. Who can resist a cup of hot chocolate during winter? Let's dive into the world of this delightful drink. Dark chocolate, the main ingredient of hot chocolate, is a powerhouse of antioxidants and mood-enhancing chemicals. It's also heart-friendly, thanks to its potential to lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. Now let's talk calories. Yes, hot chocolate can be high in calories, but don't let that stop you from enjoying a cup. The key is moderation. Pair it with a healthy diet and regular exercise. You can also opt for low-fat milk and less sugar to cut down on the calorie count. So enjoy your hot chocolate, but remember, moderation is key. For a refreshing change, how about some pineapple and kiwi juice? This delightful blend offers not only a burst of tropical flavors, but also a host of health benefits. Pineapples are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that can boost your immune system, making it an excellent choice for the winter season. They also contain enzymes that can improve skin health and digestion. Now let's talk about kiwis. These small fruits are powerhouses of vitamin C and fiber, enhancing digestion and adding another layer of immune support. The combination of pineapple and kiwi creates a juice that's not only delicious, but also helps to keep you healthy through the cold months. So, for a fruity treat that's also beneficial to your health, try some pineapple and kiwi juice. Cranberry juice is another beneficial winter beverage. This tart and tangy fruit juice is packed with antioxidants that help combat inflammation in the body. But that's not all. Cranberries are also known for their immunity-boosting properties, making them a great ally during the cold and flu season. And let's not forget, cranberries have been celebrated for their ability to promote urinary tract health, providing a natural defense against urinary tract infections. To enjoy cranberry juice, you can simply purchase a bottle from your local grocery store, or for an even fresher option, consider making it at home. Just blend some cranberries with water and sweeten to taste. So, for a tangy, health-boosting drink, consider some cranberry juice. And of course, we can't forget about hot coffee, a winter favorite for many. This warming beverage goes beyond its comforting embrace on a chilly day. Coffee is known to promote alertness and uplift our mood thanks to the caffeine it contains. It's like a little nudge, helping us kickstart our day or providing that much-needed afternoon pick-me-up. But it's important to bear in mind that moderation is key. The caffeine in coffee can lead to sleep disturbances if consumed excessively or too close to bedtime. It might also cause jitters or increased anxiety in some individuals. So enjoy your coffee, but remember, it's all about balance. So there you have it. A variety of winter drinks to keep you warm and healthy. From the comforting warmth of apple juice and hot chocolate, the invigorating zest of ginger tea, to the refreshing blends of pineapple and kiwi, and the antioxidant-rich cranberry juice. Not to forget, the ever-favorite hot coffee, offering a sense of warmth and comfort. Remember, the best drink for you depends on your overall health and any specific recommendations from health professionals. So stay warm, stay hydrated, and enjoy your winter.